Hey first grade, welcome back. You should have already listened to the Tale of Three Trees. Now I'm going to show you how to complete the craft. There are a lot of different pieces for this craft, so before we begin, I will show you everything you'll need. You'll need a glue stick, scissors, a pencil and colored pencils or crayons. You'll need all three green triangles that were cut out for you and provided in a packet. You'll also need a brown rectangle to use as a tree stump. If you don't have any of these pieces, don't worry. You'll be able to cut out triangles or rectangle on your own, and you can use your crayon to color them. You'll also need the three worksheets that go with it. The first one is this. You'll see baby Jesus in a manger at the top. The second one is this worksheet with the crown at the top. And the third worksheet is this one with the crucifix at the top. If you cannot find those or if you don't have them, they can be found at the Distance Learning tab on our school webpage. First thing you'll want to do is you will want to complete these worksheets. Fill in the answers. The first tree wanted to be a blank. And color all the images. When you finish, it should look like this. You'll repeat that activity for the second tree. And when you finish, it should look like this. And then the third tree. And I still need to color my pictures for the third tree. Now, do I expect you to answer the questions the exact same words that I used? No. But I expect your answers to be correct. And do I expect you to color using the exact same colors I used? No, but I do want you to use realistic colors. You're not going to color your boat purple because boats back then when Jesus lived weren't purple. Wood is brown. So once you completed all that, you colored and you answered the questions, then what you're going to do is you're going to fold all of the papers. So the first way you fold the papers is you're going to go ahead and fold in both sides and then fold on top. Let me show you again with the other one. Going to fold in both sides and the top. Then you're going to write first tree. Repeat that activity for the second one. You're going to fold in both sides and fold over the top, and you're going to write second tree, just like this. Fold and write second tree. And then for the third tree, you're going to go ahead and fold both sides, fold down the top, and you're going to write, you guessed it, third tree. Fold it down, third tree. So now you should have completed the first tree, the second tree, and the third tree. Once you have that, you may go ahead and glue the activity together. So you will need the smallest triangle right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of glue and glue it right in the middle. So I'm taking my glue, I'm going to glue it right in the middle. You see where I have my glue? And I'm going to put the first tree right here. Press down so it stays. There you go. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the top of the first tree to the medium-sized triangle, but I don't want to glue it like this. I want to leave room so that I can assemble, oh, I dropped it, so I can assemble it and put the second tree box right here. So I'm going to glue it at the top. I'm going to put glue at the top of the medium-sized triangle right here. And I'm going to press it down. Then I'm going to glue the second tree box right here in the middle. Put glue right here. And put the second tree right here. Then I'm going to take the third biggest triangle and glue it right here. Once again, I don't want to glue it right here because I won't have room for the box. So I want to glue it kind of towards the top right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue at the top. Just like that. And I'm going to glue the tree right here. I'm going to press down so it stays. You should have this right now. Of course, feel free to pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. Lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the third tree box right here. Don't forget, you're also going to take the tree trunk. You're going to write your name right here. Once you're done writing your name, you're going to go ahead and glue that onto the bottom of your tree. So when your tree craft is completed, you have the first tree, the second tree, and the third tree. And at any time you can open it up and you can see everything that the second tree wanted to be. Or you could read, what did the first tree want to be? Or the third tree. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I can't wait to see you all soon and see all your beautiful trees. Bye-bye.